Oh, Caleb. Hello, my dear. Oh, hang on. Not yet, not yet. Over. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, Howard's
know.
never done this before. This is the first time.
Yeah.
Mm.
Fucking hell.
Hurry up there, do it again.
The boy's like looking and he's frowning.
No, I know what it is.
Don't know what's the matter with the truck. Boy.
No, I know what it is. It's the diaphragm. The diaphragm's gone again.